भाई ऐसे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर में वो काम ही नहीं करना जो इंस्टाग्राम देख के कास्ट करते हैं।
Varun Sopti is once again ready to take us to the thriller ride with the missing stone. Varun, firstly, tell me, once again, you are gonna treat your fans with this thriller series. Have you fallen in love with such a subject, or it is just that this is something which is coming your way, what after other?
This is going to be very difficult to answer after the next year because all that I have is thrillers. The whole year I'm shooting only thrillers. So
Okay.
the liking to the genre was always there, I think.
Hmm.
I loved watching thrillers, documentaries, because they're also in a sense thriller, obviously,
Right.
and books. So I like the genre. There's but this is happening by chance, all of it. Jitna bhi ho raha. Majority stuff, actually, the point is thrillers are very difficult to write. So when you get a
Yes.
good written thriller, I just don't want to let that go.
Okay. So that is something which make you say yes every time it gets approached to you.
That is the only criteria I have. The script should be good. There is nothing else. I would never ask you what the cast is. I will never ask you what the location is or what the anything is. I will just speak to the director. If the director sounds reasonable to me, I will just read the script. If I'm able to read the script in one go, that means I'm saying yes to it.
You have you don't ask about the location, but I would definitely would like to ask about that location where you people have shot. That seems really interesting. If you could
Right.
tell us behind the scene about it.
So what happened was one of the major reasons I said yes to the show was obviously the kind of plan the producers had for it. Everyone was obviously very skeptical during the lockdown. No one wanted to get out because no one wants to put their family at risk.
Right.
So what brief I'd been given was that we will travel to this resort in Kolhapur,
Okay.
and the whole crew is going to be quarantined in their respective rooms for 5 days, and
Acha.
then we'll start the shoot and shoot the entire show in one location. That is the resort.
Okay.
And I thought that was a lovely plan, and the location was lovely. So that is the story of the location.
Okay. So you people were quarantined in the same hotel where resort where you people shot.
Right.
But you have already shot a lot of things, after the lockdown has been lifted. What sort of experience do you see had, while shooting after this whole pandemic?
थोड़ी apprehension है यार. People don't know exactly how to conduct themselves. There's a little social thread has also gone off, obviously.
Hmm.
But ठीक है. Humans will survive. Obviously, they'll find their way.
बट आपको कितनी घबराहट होती है जब आप शूट करते हो बिकॉज यू हैव अ फैमिली ऑल्सो व्हेन यू गो बैक होम हाउ मच प्रिकॉशंस डू यू पर्सनली टेक व्हाइल शूटिंग
I take all the precautions that I can. But वो घबराहट वाली बात है ना, मेरे लाइफ में फंडामेंटल ऐसा है कि जो भी काम करने जा रहे हो उससे पहले उसको फिगर आउट कर लो अगर अच्छे से करना है तो. So once I said yes to something, I will never be skeptical about anything about it. Then it's only about the work.
यूजुअली इट हैपेंस कि जब हम कोई किरदार निभाते हैं और वो बहुत पॉपुलर हो जाता है तो एक एक्टर उसी तरीके से लोग उसे पहचानते हैं और उसी तरीके के सब्जेक्ट्स या रोल उसे ऑफर होते हैं बट नाउ आई फील दैट थिंग्स हैव चेंज फॉर यू डू यू अग्री विद दिस
Oh yeah, entirely. Entirely.
what sort of
Fine.
roles used to come before and what sort of roles Barun is getting offered now?
There was always a variety of roles. It's just got to do with either they were not the most relevant parts or the script itself was not great, So I didn't. And कोई भी एक भी element अगर मतलब written word में एक भी element अगर doubtful हो तो I tend to not take it up. But now what's happening is fabulously well written shows with fabulously interesting characters are coming. So there is no reason for me to say no to anything actually that's coming my way right now. And मेरे ख्याल से टाइम की बात होती होगी यार. I think people are writing good shows right now, so I'm happy to be a part of these shows.
You also made your social media debut finally. You have created your Instagram page.
Yes.
Who convinced you for that after so many years? Who convinced you for that after so many years?
No one convinced me. I had to do it, but just that I was looking for the right time and the right people to partner up with. And what prompted me was that the one day there was a conversation that you have to move with the times, and people who don't change with the times are lose. It's not a great idea. No one, I think, wants to be left behind and not be privy to something that's happening currently and is working. So that's मुझे चीजें थोड़ी लेट समझ आती हैं basically.
वैसे काफी सारे एक्टर्स बिलीव करते हैं कि आज की डेट में इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स का होना बहुत जरूरी है इफ यू वांट टू गेट कास्टेड फॉर फ्यू थिंग्स. कास्टिंग के प्रोसेस में ये भी एक चीज शामिल हो गई है. डू वरुण अग्री विद दिस फैक्ट?
भाई ऐसे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर में वो काम ही नहीं करना जो इंस्टाग्राम देख के कास्ट करते हैं.
So how much time Varun will take out to interact with your fans now when you are officially there? वो भी एक प्रेशर होता है अपडेट करते रहना चीजों का.
हाँ नहीं अपडेट तो of course the point is you have to give the people what you promised. Simple as that. So I've come onto Instagram. मैंने promise तो नहीं किया कि साल में एक फोटो डालूंगा या फिर So I constantly keep at it. I have a team that keeps guiding me about the whole thing.
Okay.
With respect to the interaction and everything, things will come organically जैसे हो रही है.
Talking about your web series Missing Stone, ट्रेलर में हमें दिख रहा है कि एक हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ के रिलेशनशिप में बहुत सारी मिस्ट्री क्रिएट हो जाती है. Other than that, what can we expect?
It's a very well told story. I think the director has done a very good job. So you can expect that this is definitely a binge. It is not the kind of show that you will watch over 3 days or 4 days. It's a 100-minute programming thing. The best part of it it's an easy binge. It's a 5-episode series that's 20 minutes each, so it's gonna it does not take a lot of your time, but at the same time it definitely gives you what it's promised.
Okay.
That is the function of it. Yeah, there's a particular grain in which the directors wanted to shoot it. When we were shooting it didn't look like the way it does eventually. Yeah, so which was very interesting, and the storytelling is tight, the performances are good, so yeah, I'm sure people are gonna like it.
Anything you Varun has attempted for the first time for the series?
Yeah, I can't tell you all of that. मतलब
reveal हो जाएगा?
ना कुछ मतलब कोई point है ही नहीं, but the point is that it's going to be out in 2 days, so you can watch it.
Okay, the year has come to end. How are you planning to celebrate your New Year's?
Oh, I'm going to be working.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're shooting on New Year's.
Right.
This year has been very difficult for everyone. How do you see the whole 2020 for you?
For me, I can't complain. It's done wonders to my career, and I don't want to be selfish about leaving out the concern. It's definitely done a lot of social damage to the world. But I'm sure people वो डर जाता है इंसान में थोड़ा. So I think people were scared, people were skeptical, but at the same time I think everyone also got to spend a lot of time with their family. So that was one positive thing. I spent a lot of time with my wife and my daughter, so I can't complain about it. But we could have done without the virus, of course.
Yeah. What are you expecting with 2021, if I ask?
Yeah, I don't. All I can tell you is that I'm really looking forward to 2021. In fact, 2021 is one year, I think, from the starting of my career that I'm looking forward to the most.
Okay. And that is because of the work, some personal thing?
No, work.
Work. Thank you so much, Varun. Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Nikki.